In today's modern buildings, the reason behind big fatal fires often trace back to familiar sources, which include small electrical enclosures such as electrical panels, fuse boxes, MCBs, etc. On the other hand, there are certain critical high-value assets that are present in small enclosures which are essential to be protected against fires. These include server racks, CNC machines, control panels, and various appliances or machinery built around printed circuit boards. Introducing the Ceasefire MINI Pro, a revolutionary automated thermal actuation-based fire suppression module built for spaces that matter the most and to protect the critical assets that your business depends on. Compact and responsive, MINI Pro sits right where the danger is, inside the enclosure itself. It is automatic, compact, and 24/7 fire-ready. Equipped with thermal sensors, MINI Pro activates the moment heat crosses a set threshold, instantly flooding the space with Fluoroketone, a clean, green, and highly effective agent that's fast, residue-free, and safe for use in confined spaces with human presence. Ceasefire MINI Pro comes in two variants, intuitive and adaptive, making it compatible for every confined space. The intuitive variant fits neatly inside enclosures, offering direct protection from within. The adaptive variant, on the other hand, is designed for spaces where internal installation isn't possible due to complex fixtures. Here, the MINI Pro unit is fixed externally, and a thermal activation arm is positioned inside the compartment. Not only this, MINI Pro has an inbuilt pressure port, and by opting for a pressure switch, it can be integrated with third-party devices like fire alarm panels, sounder beacons, or the BMS systems, making it fully responsive to send alerts upon activation or pressure drop, thus ensuring you not only get an alert in case of a fire emergency, but also aids in carrying out preventive maintenance of the module. Available in 5 size variants, including 100, 200, 300, 400, and 500 grams, the MINI Pro is capable of protecting enclosures from 0.13 cubic meter to 0.65 cubic meter. Ceasefire MINI Pro, because big hazards often hide behind small enclosures, and every system deserves protection.